Welcome all viewers. From my side, Masan Anushka Mandal from Management System Consultancy. Today we will discuss on the topic of 7 numbers root cause analysis tools. Root cause, पहले root cause को जानना होगा. Root cause कौन सा step है? Against any failurity or any non-conformity, first step is the correction. उसको सही करने का कोशिश, correction. उसका बाद हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं what is the reason of the non-conformity. So that is the basically root cause analysis tool. So हम लोग आज डिस्कस करेंगे 7 numbers of root cause analysis tool. The first one is the Ishikawa fishbone diagram. The diagram, the model introduced by Ishikawa, also known as fishbone diagram, is considered one of the most robust methods for conducting root cause analysis. This model uses the assessment of 5 M's as a methodology for identifying the true or most probable root cause to determine corrective and preventive actions. 6 M's क्या क्या है? Main, machines, methods, materials, measurement, mother nature or environment. Those are the inputs, 6 M's. So this one is the Ishikawa fishbone diagram. Now, next one is the Pareto chart. The Pareto chart is a series of bars whose heights reflect the frequency or impact of problems on the chart. Bars are arranged in descending order of height from left to right, which means the categories represented by the tall bars on the left are respectively more frequent than those on the right. This is the methodology of Pareto chart. Now, 5 why analysis basically 5 why लेके जो हम लोग why analysis करते हैं, that is the methodology 5 whys. This model uses 5 whys by asking why 5 times to find the root cause of the problem. It generally takes 5 interaction of the question process to arrive at the root cause of the problem, and that's why this model got its name as 5 whys. But it is perfectly fine for a facilitator to ask less or more questions depending on the needs. आप 5 whys को 3 why में भी convert कर सकते हैं, मतलब less or high, okay, based on the depending on the needs. So that is the requirement of 5 whys. Now, failure mode and effect analysis, FMEA. FMEA technique used to identify process and product problems before they occur. So precaution. It focuses on how and when a system will fall, not if it will fail. In this model, each failure mode is assessed for किस हिसाब से there are 3 criteria. Severity. Severity means risk कितना है, severity. Occurrence कितना बार हो सकता है. Detectability, how कितने आसानी से हम लोग उसको डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So 3 criteria failure mode effect analysis का part. A combination of the 3 scores produces a risk, priority number, RPN number. RPN is then provided a ranking system, means हम लोग कौन सा लेवल में है, low, medium or high or others, to prioritize which problem must gain more attention. Okay, so level wise. Now, yes, this one scatter diagram. Scatter diagram, also known as scatter plots, the graph in which the values of 2 variables are plotted along with 2 axes, the pattern of the resulting points relieving any correlation present. To use scatter plots in root cause analysis, an independent variable or suspected cause is plotted on the x-axis and the dependent variables, the effect is plotted on the y-axis. If the pattern reflects a clear curve or line, it means they are corrected. If required, more sophisticated correction analysis can be continued. This is the scatter diagram. Now, number 6, affinity diagram, also known as KJ diagram. This model is used to represent the structure of big and complex factors that impact a problem or a situation. It divides these factors into small classification according to their similarity to assist in identifying a major cause of the problem. This is called the affinity diagram. Now, segment number is the faulty analysis, FTA. The faulty analysis uses Boolean logic to arrive at the cause of a problem. It begins with a defined problem and works background to identify what factors contributed to the problem using graphical presentation called the fault tree. It takes a top-down approach starting with the problem and evaluating the factors that cause the problem. So mostly 7 numbers we have discussed. That is all from today's discussion. Our contact numbers and other things are over here. Our directly contact us. We are several way of doing consultancy and providing um, other sorts of training delivery purposes. Channel को subscribe कीजिए for more updates, like कीजिए for promotional purpose. Thank you viewers. Thank you all.